What's up everyone, welcome to today's video. So just want to quickly point out that yesterday done no video because I didn't take any trades. It was a really slow day in the small cap market. I know quite a few traders that didn't even trade, and if they did, it had red days. It was just a really slow day yesterday, and it wasn't really anything exciting to talk about. So just didn't do a video based on that reason. So no trades. You'll see that in my monthly recap that I didn't trade on yesterday. I didn't trade today either. We missed out on one sort of good opportunity. So a little bit disappointed with that. However, really slow day following from yesterday. Really slow day today. And this week has just been a bad week overall. I've missed opportunities this week because we've had a great move on OPTT. But overall for me, it's been quite a slow week. We didn't trade 4 days, and we had one trade and we lost. So we normally make at least one trade a day, and so to only take one trade this week, really slow week. So there is one opportunity saw today on TROV from a shorting perspective, and I'm just going to point this out now. So let's get into this quick recap of TROV. As what I've been pointing out recently, what I'm doing more now is I'm indicating, I'm locating sort of previous history of what's happening from candles on the daily chart. So this is today's candle, so we just ignore this one. But so I've marked out the top wick of this candle, 583, the close price, which is 475. You see this is the open price 460, the close price 412, and then we've got a gap here down to 393, which is this body, and we've got a gap here from the open price to the from the close price to the open price. So it's that 475 area is the key area we was looking at. And what do you know, if we go into the 1 minute chart, you see how that I hate when I do this. We go into the 1 minute chart, maximize it, and you see how it pretty much topped out at this 475 perfectly. So pre-market we see it running up and it pulls back, so we wanted to see definitely this 475. We wanted this gap to fill. We see how it almost gets there and it pulls back again, and now we get this almost gap to fill from 1 cent below. See here, if you look on the top left in that box, the high is 474, so pretty much a gap fill. This is where I become really interested, especially given the time. So I actually even located shorts and you see how it sort of trying to retest just before the open. Sadly it well, not sadly from a shorting perspective, because I was looking for a long maybe at the open up to $5, but it made the move just out just at this 9:29 time. But what we see from the shorting perspective, how it breaks and it can't hold the it can't turn this 475 into support. It gets instantly rejected. So now when it gets rejected, that's great. So we're seeing that this gap has been filled. We're seeing that this 475 area is becoming really good resistance. So what do we want? This is kind of our confirmation, but what we want now is that added confirmation of we want the retest, and we want the retest to fail. So getting on this candle right here, you see here in this candle at 9:35, we get this high wicks. You see how it's just struggling to even get back up there. This is a perfect opportunity to this is where I missed. I saw it in real time, didn't pull the trigger, but I am seeing it, and that's the main thing right now. But really annoyed that I didn't take this. And you see straight after a rejection, and what does it do? It rejects, it pulls all the way down, touches pretty much. This is a low of 413, and you see how we had this line marked out at 412. So you see how these lines are just coming into play perfectly, and we maximise this again. Where was the 412? The 412 was the close price there. So it opened at 460 and closed at 412. So you just see how when this is today, you see how it made this great move up, filled the gap, and now it's just sold off. And it may, counting this later, it may fill this gap down to 393 later on, because stocks like to fill gaps, and you just see it working over and over again. So you see how today, how pretty much perfectly these lines came into play. So that's why I didn't like it from a long-in perspective. I liked it for a scalp, to be honest. We had this 475. I thought if this was hanging around the 475, sort of consolidating just before at the market open, you said it just broke just that 1 minute before. Here, yeah, it just started to. I don't know. I guess it did go at the open. I thought it was 1 minute. I'm pretty certain it done it just before. Yeah, because you see all the volume coming on this candle here. Oh yeah, because that's right. Because that's 9. That says 9:30. So that's 9:29 to 9:30. So this one is 9. 30 to 931. So you see here, so this is the 1 minute just before the open. You see how it broke and then it just got rejected. So I did actually want, if this done out the open, I was potentially looking for a long over 475 to get the push up to $5, and then that would have been there. After that, it's definitely into a shorting mode. But you see how this short would have worked perfectly. So once again, to show you, the 475 was the gap fill, got filled, got instantly rejected. We see how it's just struggling to break this 475. We get this confirmation here. Well, we've got a decent history here of the daily and the rejection here, so now we're really confident in it. We just wanted to get back up there to fail. It got back up there, it failed, and that was our perfect entry, which we didn't take. We will start taking this, but seeing it a lot clearer in real time, and you see how it would have worked perfectly. And once again, it just got rejected, because once it gets rejected, it has to go back to sort of that nearest support, and the support was down at that previous candle which we marked out. You see here it's got support here. You see how that 412 it became even support here, and then it's just hugging that 412 area now. So wouldn't surprise me if it comes down to this 393 later on to fill the gap below. But that's it. So I will. That's it for today. I hope you all smash this week, and next week is a new week, and I will be back then, and we will play some trades hopefully. So that's it, guys. Take care. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.